G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today. I'm just outside of a home in Brisbane, Queensland. People interested in putting a whole house water filter in. So I'm just going to flip the camera on and have a little bit of a look on what we've got here and where we're going. So as you can see, here's the home obviously, and down here on the ground is the water meter. So the water meter here is out of the front of the house, and what I'd be suggesting is from there the water is going straight across to the side of the house. I don't think it's going across to the left there because what we've got is the garage, so I don't think it'll be going over there, but there is definitely going to be a direct line from this water meter somewhere to the house. And a lot of the time you'll find a tap on the front of the house like this one has here. We'll just nip around the side and have a look, and as you can see there's a tap on the side of the house. So my thought is that the trench is coming directly from where we were just standing a second ago near the water meter there, and they're basically coming across here with their trench dug on the ground. That tap will be connected and just coming up from the main water line. So it's always good to have your whole house water filter a little secure. As you can see, there's a gate there and a fence. I'd prefer to get inside that fence if we can, just so nobody messes around with your water filter. But knowing that the water's here at this tap, I'd suggest that if the plumber was able to dig up the corner of this house here, he'd be pretty successful possibly in finding the water pipe. Once he finds that water pipe, he's just going to cut that water pipe. He'll dig a trench along the side of the house here, and he can run the water pipes across to the water filter. On this wall here would have been a good spot, but the gate does open there a touch, so it probably isn't going to work. I probably wouldn't go putting the water filter above the air conditioner unit there, because when we change the cartridges we don't want water pouring all over it. So we'd probably keep coming inside. There's a good amount of wall here just before the window. We could go under the window. There is another cavity in here where it'd go under that window, but it's once again it's a little bit too much pipe for my likings. But there is a wall on the other side. So plenty of opportunity to fit a whole house water filter in here, and it really is a great way to go. So have a look at that, and if it interests you, give us a yell and let us know if we can help you out. Thanks very much.